Alright guys, so I got this Deluxe family pool, and yeah, it's pretty big. So what I did, I tried using this, and guess what? It took me an hour and actually didn't work. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? Alright, so how to inflate this family pool. All you gotta do is, you need this air blower or dryer, and also you need this thing. It's the bottled water. You gotta cut it, and it's this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, that's it. Nice and easy. Alright.